federal judge has suggested during a court hearing that prosecutors sent Donald Trump's former lawyer Michael Cohen back to prison as retaliation for planning to publish a book about the U.S. president just before the November election. Cohen was sent home from prison in May because of the coronavirus pandemic. He was shackled again on July 9 after he questioned an agreement barring him from publishing his book, engaging with news organizations and posting on social media. Judge Alvin Hellerstein said he had never seen in his 21 years on the bench a provision barring a prisoner from speaking to the media. "How can I take any other inference but that it was retaliatory?" Cohen has been in solitary confinement in a federal prison in Otisville, 110 kilometers northwest of New York. His lawyers said in court papers the Bureau of Prisons violated his First Amendment rights. Michael Cohen is currently imprisoned in solitary confinement because he is drafting a book manuscript that is critical of the President of the United States, and because he recently made public that he intends to publish this book shortly before the upcoming election. Cohen's lawyers, some from the American Civil Liberties Union, wrote seeking an order for his immediate release. Prosecutors said in court papers that Cohen was antagonistic during the probation meeting with and should remain behind bars. Cohen took issue with nearly every provision of an agreement that would have let him finish his sentence at home, prosecutors said. Among the provisions were the media ban, electronic monitoring and approval for employment. John Gustin, a federal prisons official, said in a court filing that he made the decision to send Cohen back to prison. "In my view, Cohen's behavior and, in particular, his refusal to sign the conditions of home confinement was unacceptable and undermined his suitability for placement on home confinement," Mr. Gustin wrote. He said he was not aware of Cohen's book. Cohen, who once said he would take a bullet for Mr. Trump, was sentenced in 2018 for directing hush payments to porn star Stormy Daniels and former Playboy model Karen McDougal, who claimed they had affairs with Mr. Trump, who has denied having the encounters. Cohen served a year of his 3-year sentence before being released in May. Irish Independent Let's Block ads. Why?
Show your love for him. Click the link in description. Thanks for watching.